Hello there and welcome.
My shadow on a cloud with a rainbow on top of this mountain. What?
A mulberry tree in Montenegro that mysteriously gushes water. It's actually caused because it's located directly above a natural spring.
It's coming this way. Water from the lake. Yeah, I'm gonna go over it. Mommy's gonna want us to get wet.
This person came across some water that's mid-transition into ice. It's quite common to see shapes and patterns in clouds, but have you ever seen one as detailed as this?
A face. Face. Wow. What's really going on?
A frozen lake that makes strange noises that sound like the lasers from Star Wars. A waterfall backlit by the sunset, giving the illusion of a waterfall of fire.
Oh my god. Oh putain. Oh putain. Oh putain. Tá rachando, ó. Leva os cachorros pra lá, você quer? Chama os cachorros aí, Babi. Chama os cachorros. Aí, ó. Ai, é.
Multiple underground infernos were discovered after the devastating Oregon wildfires in 2020.
We're gonna put this out. 1200-degree fire going on right next to somebody's house.
A tree burns from the inside out after being struck by lightning. A rare phenomenon known as soil liquefaction. It can occur when heavily saturated soils are exposed to shaking. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.